You are out of order.
Kiumia kihituku kamiti ya watho na kihoto ni yathikiririe itumi cia kwendekithia kuhagurwo kwa makamicina na aria mareganire na maumirira ma githurano kihituku riu mutaratara wa guthikiriria macokio ma anaya magitanyo kwambiriria muthenya wa ruciu. Munini wa muikariri giti kamiti-ini ya IEBC Juliana Cherera hamwe na kamicina Irene Masit nio magakorwo maria mbere guthuthurio na makamicina Francis Waderi na Julius Nyang'aya mekinye mbere ya kamicina muthenya wa keri
have been intentionally been flouted.
Wagi wa urugiriru wa mitigo hindi ya githurano hamwe na makamicina aya anagukorwo ni magararire gatiba ni imwe cia itumi iria ciaheanirwo ikirongoriria kumatigithia wira.
They gave different opinions of the results which brought a lot of danger to the citizenry of Kenya.
Amwe ya mbunge ngwataniro-ini ya Kenya Kwanza nimekirire ngaja ukinyaniru wa makamicina ya guthie na mbere gutungata kamiti-ini ino riu makihita gutigirira ni mehera wabici-ini.
Rwa Kenya mathurire ugiria muruto na mo marutaga wira juu chini kuwakilisha teguo risotire gutuika announced na evidence evo ni tukumandisikazi kuria mbunge na kwina muswanda wikuo mbunge wa kumaruta na mushando ju tukawabitukia na riyo muno.
Every Kenyan knows what kind of behavior the four commissioners displayed during the announcements of the results. It is all in the clear, and I can tell you for a fact, when it comes to the floor of the House, those four commissioners, we have other better Kenyans with greater integrity who can be able to serve.
Abugia ya aria ni hamwe na mubuge wa mbere North Geoffrey Ruku ohono matianirie igeria ria ngwataniro ya Azimio ria gutetera makamicina aya.
Kiumia giuku ni turamaruta ofici tondu they failed ni maragwire kigeranio kia integrity.
Mihango eno egathie na mbere riri ya mbunge kamiti-ini ino wa ngwataniro ya Azimio mangathirie ciikaro ici kiumia kihituku makiregana na mutabarire wa mihango eno na ho gucungiririe ndungamano ya mierio gatagati ka mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga na mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto. Odinga riu akiranira gukuruhania muingi hari gutwithania ndungamano eno kwambiriria muthenya wa keri kiumia giki.
Not participate in a kangaroo proceeding. We cannot.
I'm sorry,
This is an affront to the constitution. And
you can go and address the press out there.
No, we cannot allow this to happen.
Kama Cherera aende nyumbani siana community yake. Watu wake watasikia nzuri. Akae hapo amalize tamu yake. Si nzuri hivyo? Kwa sababu uchaguzi umeisha na Supreme Court imesema William Samoei Ruto ndio president.
Have a meeting with the people of Nairobi at Kamkunji grounds to ask them if they accept that these commissioners should go home. We will then do the same thing in Mombasa. We'll do the same thing in Nakuru. We'll do the same thing in Kisumu. Do the same thing in Kakamega. Because an independent electoral commission is the referee. It cannot be appointed by a player. So we will not allow the Kenya Kwisha regime to impose a commission on the people of Kenya.
Wona kamiti ya watho na kihoto yatiri hau thuthuria ifatie gukinyaniria itua na kuneana riboti yao mbungeini na mbunge ngihitukia hari na wira muiganu mendekithie kuri president kuba kamiti ya mwanya ya guthuthuria anaya kana iteanirie mateta maya.